Premium brown bull hides arrive from certified suppliers. Each hide begins its journey toward luxury leather goods. Every hide is carefully inspected for defects. Only premium sections qualify for luxury production. The hides are thoroughly washed to remove impurities. Clean surfaces prepare the leather for tanning. Liming loosens hair and softens the hide structure. This step prepares the material for further processing. Specialized rollers remove hair from the hide surface. The leather base becomes visible. Excess tissue is removed for uniform thickness. The hide is prepared for tanning. Tanning transforms fragile hide into durable leather. This process creates strength and longevity. The leather absorbs tanning compounds evenly. A rich brown tone begins to appear. Buffing creates a smooth, luxurious texture. Surface imperfections are removed. Premium dyes enhance color consistency. The signature brown finish takes shape. The dyed leather enters a controlled curing tunnel. Heat stabilizes the color deep within the fibers. Natural conditioning oils restore flexibility. The leather gains softness and durability. Embossing creates a premium leather texture. The surface gains a refined, luxury appearance. Each leather sheet undergoes strict quality inspection. Only flawless sections continue to production. Engineers create precise digital cutting patterns. Every piece is optimized to reduce waste. Digital patterns are projected onto premium leather. Every cut is positioned with precision. Cut leather components are refined with precision trimming. Clean edges ensure a premium finish. Skiving reduces thickness where folds are required. This improves flexibility and comfort. Accurate stitching holes are punched into the leather. Consistency ensures strong assembly. Guidelines ensure perfectly straight stitching. Precision at this stage improves craftsmanship. Master craftsmen perform critical hand stitching. Traditional techniques enhance luxury quality. Industrial sewing joins major leather components. Strong seams provide long-term durability. Interior compartments are carefully installed. Functionality meets premium craftsmanship. Premium metal zippers are installed with precision. Smooth operation is tested during assembly. Strong leather handles are crafted separately. Reinforced construction ensures reliability. Premium metal hardware is fitted with precision. Each component adds durability and elegance. Adjustable straps are added for functionality. Every attachment point is reinforced for strength. The brand logo is embossed into the leather. This signature mark represents luxury craftsmanship. The painted edges are carefully cured. This creates a long-lasting professional finish. Burnishing creates smooth, luxurious edges. The finishing details define premium quality. Precision molds create the final product shape. Each item achieves its signature silhouette.
Structural integrity is carefully verified. Only flawless products move forward.
A final conditioning treatment nourishes the leather. The signature luxury shine begins to emerge. Polishing enhances the leather's natural beauty. A rich shine highlights the premium craftsmanship.
Every luxury item undergoes a detailed inspection. No imperfection is allowed to pass.
Critical seams are tested under controlled stress. Strength and durability are verified. Hardware components are tested for long-term reliability. Every moving part must perform flawlessly. Products meeting all standards receive approval. Only the finest pieces earn certification. Every product is cleaned before packaging. The leather surface is prepared for presentation.
Protective inserts maintain the product's shape. This ensures perfect presentation upon delivery. Luxury packaging completes the customer experience. Presentation is as important as craftsmanship. Each package is sealed and prepared for shipment. The luxury leather goods are ready for customers worldwide. Finished products are organized for large-scale distribution. Automation ensures safe and efficient handling. Protective wrapping stabilizes each shipment. This prevents movement during transportation.
Every shipment is digitally recorded. Accurate tracking ensures smooth logistics.
Finished goods are stored under controlled conditions. This protects leather quality until dispatch.
Global orders are matched with available inventory. Logistics teams prepare worldwide deliveries. Selected orders are prepared for transport. Every shipment is checked before departure. Luxury products are carefully loaded for export. Safe handling remains a top priority. Security seals protect every shipment. Each container is verified before departure. The finished products begin their global journey. Customers around the world await these luxury creations.
From raw brown bullhide to luxury craftsmanship, every piece reflects precision, tradition, and excellence.